In this movie I will show how to restart a license with LM tools. If the license file is renamed or moved to a different folder, NX and Solid Edge will not start. Click the Windows Start button and type LM Tools. When the LM Tools app appears in the menu, press Enter. In the LM Tools dialog box, click the Config Services menu. In the path to the license file line, click the Browse button and select the license file from a different folder. Save the changes by clicking the Save Service button. Click the Start Stop Reread menu. Click the Stop Server button, wait for Stopping Server message to appear in the status bar at the bottom. If the server has already been stopped, you may see the message Unable to stop. Click the Start Server button, wait for Server Start Successful message to appear in the status bar at the bottom. Click the Reread License File button, wait for Reread Server License File Completed message to appear in the status bar at the bottom. Now you can start Solid Edge or NX. If you stayed with me until the end, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment and have a nice day.